Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host John, aka Latherhog, just back from vacation, feeling good but jet lagged. So I have for you a mail call and unboxing for you today, and I'll probably sprinkle in some details of my trip because the first part of the mail call is something I was able to directly pick up from the seller. It was none other than Ken, aka Shave326 here on YouTube, and I picked up the following items. So it's I've been looking for a bottle of Zaharoff Signature. So this is fragrance, and to show you right here, the bottle rather. And this is this is the first time I'm trying this setup as well with unboxing. Well, so we'll see how that goes. That's the nice box. It was missing just a little bit, and Ken gave me a great price. We kind of squeezed in a quick meeting, and here we go. Here's the bottle. Let me see if we can do this correctly. We were able to share a beer, talk a little bit in person. So always a pleasure to meet, fellow YouTubers, just folks from the community in person. You can see this is mostly full. It's got that classic vibe, Zaharoff Signature. I have the soap and splash of this. I had a sample of the frag itself too at one point. Really enjoyed that. I think I gave that to a friend, but now I've got the full-on bottle. Might as well, let's give it a spritz. Hopefully it can show up. All right, let's see. Here's the atomizer. Shabam. And just, yeah, I mean, it smells good. It really fills the area once I did that. I'm not sure. I kind of sprayed it at my computer monitor. That may or may not have been the best idea, but along with that bottle of Zaharoff Signature, Ken also threw in this soap here from WSP. I haven't used WSP in a while, and this one is the Formula T, which is their tallow base, and it is the mahogany scent. Here's a fresh pour. So you take a look at that. It's in a tin, of course, and it's filled pretty much to the top. The scent here, although called mahogany, it's I do get kind of like a sweet cherry tobacco kind of vibe from it. It is very masculine. In general, I really like the scent, and like I said, I haven't used WSP in a while, so I'll be looking forward to using this one. And yeah, so those are two great items for my buddy Ken. Thank you again, Ken. If you see this, it was great meeting up with you. So that was something I picked up while on my trip in beautiful Hawaii. The next few items, well, this one, it came in, I've already unboxed it because it came from two different sources. You'll see what I mean. This here is the Timeless Titanium Slim Razor, or the Ti Slim, with the crown titanium handle. And I picked up the razor head off a acquaintance on Reddit for a great price, and then bought the handle separately. I'd used this razor, not this exact razor, but I'd used the Ti Slim on a pass around. Really liked it in like the two shaves I had with it. Quickly shipped that off to the next person in the pass around, which happens to be Hey Gerard Shaves, and also put in an order for my own. So I'm really excited to use this for my next few videos. You'll be seeing me use this guy here. And it's just a really nice weight. I really like the design of the crown handle with the knurling and the it's just unique. I think that's what I really like about it. It feels good in hand. And of course, trying to get the logo on the bottom of the razor to focus. Kind of got it. Anyway, that's a nice little detail there under the plate. Of course, I'll do a closer analysis of this, but you can see slim edition titanium, 0.5 millimeters as far as gap goes. I did have that 0.68 and 0.95 base plate in titanium from Timeless before, but the slim just feels much better to me for my preference. So yeah, that's the razor. So again, looking forward to use this. Let's move on to the actual unboxing part, shall we? All right, so for the unboxing, I've got two packages from the same Artisan, and that's Ariana Evans, or the Shaving Shop and Club. I'd ordered one before I left for vacation and one during vacation. So let's get the old blade out and unbox these, shall we? I am not a knife enthusiast, but just for those who wonder, this one's from Gerber, something I picked up at Target. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. So here we go. Gotta make sure I don't cut myself or the products inside. I'm pretty excited to get my nose on these guys. This is the packaging for the aftershave splashes that I ordered. But what scent, I'm sure you're asking, do I have in the box? And so we've got 2 soap sets for you today. First one is one that multiple people had recommended to me, and that is Vanille Vendetta or Vanille Vendetta. I don't know if you pronounce it the French way or the more English way. This one I got to sniff from my friend Todd had it. And that kind of helped me from going like a total blind buy. Took the outer plastic off. There you go. And let's give a sniff of the tub. Yeah, that is, I mean, I was interested because it was a very pleasant kind of cologne vanilla scent, and that's that's still what I get. Again, I don't usually share much of I'm not doing the notes and research and stuff like that until I do an actual shave or review of it. But I do believe this was inspired by vanilla or vanille fatale from Tom Ford. I think it shares some notes. It might not be a one-for-one clone or dupe, but I think that's the main inspiration of that one. The other one, I'm just gonna have to say, if you're offended by the label, this one was done in good fun. I purchased Low Scent Skeletor, and this was a bit of a meme soap, I guess, a meme soap, a joke soap. On the label, besides the fan art of He-Man embracing Skeletor, we have Nate and Mel from BBS Live included here as well. Both these soaps are in Kaizen 2. So Low Scent Skeletor is a nickname that Nate from BBS Live has amongst some friends, and I believe talking with him, he wanted something to go with cucumber, a very pleasant but softer scent. It kind of went with the theme. Let's see what I get off the tub. There's something familiar about this scent. It's, I don't know if I get, it's like out and out, like cucumber is not a note that really ever hits you over the head, but it is a light, slightly floral scent and maybe a little aquatic. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Yeah, and maybe the fact that it's a little aquatic maybe reminds me of that genre of scents in general. So yeah, not too bad. And it is, despite the name Low Scent Skeletor, I would say it's probably, I mean, it's light for sure amongst A&E soaps, but it's probably still like a 4 out of 10. I'd venture a guess. While Vanille Vendetta scent strength on that off the tub is probably a 5 or a 6 out of 10. I didn't think it was overwhelmingly strong. Just good, nice, pleasant. Oh yeah, let's not forget about the matching aftershave splashes. You can hear the aftershave splashes were put into its own little padded envelope here for extra protection, which I think is a nice touch. You don't want these products to break en route to you. I'm just having a hard time opening it. And even inside the padded envelope, they're also individually bubble wrapped and bagged as well to prevent leakage. So I'm not going to mess with these right now because the main thing we took a look at was the soap, but matching splashes are here. So let's move on to package number 2. All right. This is a smaller package here. Again, safely packaged and boxed from A&E. This is some aftershave products, which we'll get into just shortly. But the soap itself, I'll throw the box to the side, is the exclusive for Lather and Blade, a Facebook group, Facebook wet shaving group, and it is called Vita. And, well, okay. Straighten that out a little bit. All right, here she is out of the plastic wrapping. Vita. This scent was made again for Lather and Blade on Facebook, and Peter worked directly with one of the moderators of the group and friend of the channel, So Sharp David, on this scent. Let's see how that scent is. There's the pour. Ooh, that is very nice. I'm not sure all that's going on. It's got like, there's quite a few notes in here, making it kind of cologne-y complex, but it's fruity, sweet, and very summery, to my nose at least. Yeah, I'm having a hard time picking out anything in particular. There might be, I want to say there's like a melon note in there, possibly. Oh, and before I forget, this label was designed by our friend Raza of Shaving with Raza. So very, very nice label. Side label as well. I forgot to mention for those who like design and graphics and stuff. I know side labels actually, it does cost more, you know, from talking with our artisans. It is a, you know, there's a cost to it. Next, let's look in the post-shave products that came here. I got the matching splash for Vita, so that is not going to be a surprise. But one other thing I've been really curious about and have received numerous recommendations to try. Let's see here. I'll get it. All right, so like I said, the Vita Splash, but also here in this package is the unscented rice water serum. And I like a good post-shave product, and as well as post-shave feel in soaps. And it's not like just because there's a good post-shave feel and skin food and stuff in the soap, I'm not one to say like I swear off post-shave products entirely. And here's a closer look. Unpacked is A&E's rice water serum. Sorry, I forgot the label. Not exactly right. It's unscented. This is the companion to the excellent vegan shave butter or shaving butter. I believe those are all scented with essential oils only, but it's a really good product, guys. If you like vegan soaps, man, that shave butter is really good. I have the wood and lavender one, and I'm keeping my eyes peeled for other scents that are coming out in that line, because it's just a top-notch product. It looks very clean, very contemporary, and this is a nice complement to it. Looking really forward to trying this, and it's unscented, so I'll be able to pair it up with whatever soap or shaving cream I want to. So that's always a plus too. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's mail call and unboxing. So hopefully the information I presented in today's video was coherent at the very least, but I really do want to thank you guys for stopping by, for taking some time out of your day and checking out to see what came in the mail. So again, the room is still smelling like Zaharoff's signature, and that's with one spray. I do predict this is probably maybe 2 sprays, and will be just fine to last me all day. At the very least, my office is smelling great right now, with that test spray at the start of the video. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, to hit that like button, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the Latherhog channel, so you won't miss any more mail call videos or future shave videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.